What's wrong, Ben? Ben, what is wrong? Is she scary, Caroline?
No.
Is she scary, Ben?
Can you touch her?
Stand up, buddy.
No.
Go smack her feet, Ben.
He's not even real. He's
No.
fake.
She's just a decoration.
He's make believe.
Is she make-believe, Ben?
No.
Is she real?
No.
Is she gonna come touch you?
No.
Well, then why are you scared?